Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon.
Hey friends, this is FIRMWARE here, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to manually update your TWRP recovery. So let's get started with the video. So yeah, the first thing, you need to download the file itself, and once you download it, just save it in the storage. And once you save it, just you need to boot into TWRP, and once you boot into TWRP, just go to the install section, and I have saved it in the USB storage. So I'll just go into this TWRP, and you need to click on select image. If you want, I can show it one more time. Just click here, select storage, click here OK, go to the folder and select image, and once you select it, just click on it, and you need to select the recovery option, and once you select it, just click on swipe and confirm the flash. So once the flash is complete, just reboot the system and click on do not install. So you have successfully updated the TWRP recovery. And yeah, that's it for this video guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.